Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the intersection of sets. The intersection of sets A and B is the set of all elements which are common to A and B. That is, those elements which are belongs to A and also belongs to B. We denote the intersection symbols symbolically as A intersection B and read as A intersection B. That is A intersection B is equals to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B of A and B, that is the set of all elements which are common to A and B, that is those elements which belongs to A and also belongs to B. That means the elements which are in A also will be in B. We should want to write the same elements in the given answer. We should want to write the same elements in the answer. Intersection symbol was reverse U. Intersection B. It was read as A intersection B. Set of X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Here is to symbol means such that. Now we are going to discuss about the disjoint set. Disjoint set means in the both the given sets there is no same element. It was called as the disjoint set. Suppose A is equals to set of 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 and B is equals to set of 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. We see that there are no common elements in A and B such that A and B. Such sets are known as disjoint sets. In A there are in set A set there are odd numbers and in the B sets there are even numbers. In both of the sets there are no same elements. Then it was called as the disjoint set. There was no common elements in A and B. Such elements are known as the disjoint set. Now you are going to see the Venn diagram of the disjoint set. It is the Venn diagram of disjoint sets. In the set A there are only odd numbers and in the set B there is only even numbers. There is no same elements in both the sets. Now we are going to discuss about the finite sets and infinite sets. Finite sets are possible to express the numbers of sets. Means finite sets will end at the one point. Infinite sets are impossible to express the number of elements of set. That means set of natural numbers. It cannot end. Natural numbers are up to infinite. So it was called as the infinite set. Infinite sets are impossible to express the numbers. Now we are going to discuss about cardinal number. The number of elements in a set are called as the cardinal number. That means in the set A is equals to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is number of n into A, that is equals to 5. The cardinal number of the set A denotes as number of A. The number of elements in a set is called as the cardinal number. Please subscribe friends and please like it. Thank you for watching.